Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. My name is Syahri Sabirin. My register number is A1M223110. Today I would like to present my research proposal entitled The Correlation Between English Department Student Habit to Watch English YouTube channel and their speaking skill. Next slide. This study is important because speaking skill plays a significant role in English learning. While many students still face difficulties in fluency, pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence. And YouTube can help solve this problem because it offers authentic input and flexible access to learn pronunciation and real expression, supported by Karasen and Bandura. Since previous studies on this topic show mixed result, the study investigate the correlation between student YouTube habit and their speaking skill. Next slide. The main question in this study is there a significant correlation between English department student habit of watching English YouTube channels and their speaking skill? And to what extent does the frequency and duration of watching correlate with their speaking skill? To break it down, the first question focuses on whether the correlation is significant, and the second question focuses on how strong that correlation is. Next slide. This study aims to determine whether there is a significant correlation between English department student habits of watching English YouTube channel and their speaking skill, and to examine the stretch of that correlation. In other words, the first objective is to determine that correlation, and the second objective is to examine how strong it is. Next slide. This study focuses on examining the correlation between students' habit of watching English YouTube channel and their speaking skill, with particular emphasis on the frequency and duration of watching, and is limited to YouTube as the only learning media studied. The independent variable is YouTube watching habit, and the dependent variable is speaking skill. Examining how quantitative correlational design using a questionnaire and a speaking assessment. Next slide. This research used quantitative correlational design. The population of the study consists of all 107 students of the 2024 cohort in the English Education Department at Halwalio University, and total sampling technique is used where all 1,107 students are included as the sample. The data will be collected through a questionnaire and a speaking rubric, and will be analyzed using person product moment correlation. Next slide. This slide present the instruments. For variable X, I use a questionnaire with 30 liquor skill items covering frequency, duration, repetition, comprehension, imitation, and motivation. For variable Y, I use an analytic speaking rubric assessing fluency and coherency, grammatical accuracy, pronunciation, and lexical resource score from 0 to 38, 36. Both instruments were developed from theoretical indicators, so each item reflect the variable being measured. Next slide. This slide explains my data analysis steps. The first stage use descriptive statistic in SPSS for the mean, standard deviation, and frequency. The second stage use person product moment correlation to obtain the R value, and based on correlation theory, I expect the result to show a positive correlation. If the R value show a significant relationship, uh, H1 is active. If not, H0 is accepted. Next slide. Theoretically, this research is expected to support second language acquisition theory by showing how input from YouTube and output how speaking work together to develop speaking skills. It is expected that this research can help students improve their speaking skill, guide the lectures in using YouTube as a learning tool, and support technology-based learning. Methodologically, it is also expected to provide research instruments and correlational design that can serve as a reference for future studies. The researcher hopes that the findings will indicate a significant positive correlation between student habit of watching English YouTube channel and their speaking skill. Next slide. That is all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.